Hello my student, I miss you. Welcome back to my lesson today. Now before starting your lesson, do you play a game? Okay, now the games today is Tom and Cherry. Now let's play. Question 1. Is Fanspan high mountains in the world? A. Higher. B. Highest. C. The highest. So the correct answer is good job. C. The highest. Next one. Question 2. Lana is old than John. A. The older. B. Older. C. Oldest. And the correct answer is yes, B. Older. Good job. Number 3. A holiday by the mountains is good than a holiday in a sea. A. Better. B. Best. C. The best. So the correct answer is yes, A. Better. Number 4. This boy is tall in my school. A. Tallest. B. Taller. C. The tallest. Which is the correct answer? Very good. C. The tallest. Next one, number 5. Jupiter is big planet in the solar system. Very good, and the correct answer is A. The biggest. Number 6. A boat is slow than a plane. A. Slowest. B. Slower. C. The slower. So the correct answer is yes, B. Slower. Very good. Thank you. Okay, today we will learn lesson IP. If we will learn the sounds, learn new words, learn to speak, and learn to read. Now we move to the first part, learn the sounds and learn new words. Sound if. Now look at the first picture. What's this? Very good. Hip. Now listen and repeat.
Hip. Hip.
Okay, one more time.
Hip. Hip.
Next one. What's this? Can you guess? Excellent. Zip. Now listen and repeat.
Zip. Zip.
One more time.
Zip. Zip.
Okay, and the last one. What's this? Very good. Lip.
Ip. Lip.
One more.
Ip. Lip.
Now you will listen and repeat.
Ip. Hip. Ip. Zip. Ip. Lip.
Okay, once more time.
Ip. Hip. Ip. Zip. ip, lip.
Okay, the first word, hip. What does it mean? Hip, it means hông. Number 2, zip. It means khóa kéo. And number 3, lip. It means môi. So we have got 2 lips. Okay, we move to learn to read. Now you will look at the string. What can you see in the picture? Excellent, we can see a boy with thick lips. Now look at the test. Okay, before listening to the test, I have some new words for you. Number 1, thick. Thick, what does it mean? Yes, it means dày. And number 2, pulls up. Kéo lên. Okay, now listen.
Learn to read.
Chip has got thick lips. His shirt has got a zip. He pulls up the zip. Then he puts his hands on his hips.
Now you will listen once more time.
Learn to read.
Chip has got thick lips. His shirt has got a zip. He pulls up the zip. Then he puts his hands on his hips.
Okay, now you will listen and repeat.
Learn to read.
Chip has got thick lips. His shirt has got a zip. He pulls up the zip. He puts his hands on his hips.
Okay, now repeat once more time.
Learn to read.
Chip has got thick lips. His shirt has got a zip. He pulls He pulls up the zip. Then he puts his hands on his hips.
Okay, after repeating the test, how many words without if can you find in the test? Okay, now we will check. Number 1, chip. Number 2, lips. Number 3, zip. Number 4, zip. And number 5, hips. Very good. Okay, after reading the test, I need you to answer 2 questions. Question 1. What has Chip got? Excellent, and the correct answer is Chip has got thick lips. Number 2. Where does he put his hands on? And the correct answer is he puts his hands on his hips. Okay, now we move to learn to speak. Now look at the string. What can you see in the picture? Yes, we can see 2 girls and many presents. Maybe they are talking. Okay, now look at their dialogue. Now you will listen to their dialogue.
Learn to speak.
Wow, a lot of presents. Which present is the best? I think this kangaroo is the best present.
Okay, now listen one more time.
Learn to speak.
Wow, a lot of presents. Which present is the best? I think this kangaroo is the best present.
Okay, in this dialogue we can see a question. Which present is the best? And the answer is, I think that kangaroo is the best present. So we have a structure. Which blah 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 is the blah blah blah. And the answer is, I think is the. For example, which present is the best? Món quà nào là tốt nhất? I think, tôi nghĩ, that kangaroo is the best present. Tôi nghĩ thì cái con kangaroo đó là món quà tốt nhất. Okay, we have some more example. Now look at the string. We can see 2 boys and some toys such as ball, remote control car, and a robot. Maybe they are talking about toys. Okay, can you guess the questions and the answer? Now 10 seconds for you. Let's fill in the blank. Now time's up. Do you have the answer? Okay, let me check. With which toy is the best? I think robot is the best toy. Or we can see which present is the best. I think robot is the best present. Okay, another example. Now let's think. Now time's up. Can you guess the answer? Okay, let me check. Which animal is the biggest? I think elephant is the biggest animal. Or we can say, which animal is the smallest? I think a cat is the smallest animal. Okay, you can practice more at home. And now is your new words. Hip, hông. Zip, khóa kéo. Lips, đôi môi. Thick, dày. Pull, kéo. You can take note on your notebook after this lesson. And it's your homework. After this lesson, you will write down your words in your notebook and practice asking and answering the question today. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye everyone, see you later.